Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Panasonic Lumix DMC-FZ300 digital camera and you need to do a factory reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this camera not connecting or not pairing with something, or just whatever reason it's not working right, a factory reset can fix a lot of those issues. The second reason is, there's tons of settings on here and we can try to change them all manually. But if you're just all jumbled up, you just want to get everything back to the way it was when it came out of the box by resetting everything in one fell swoop. We can do that super simply, a couple of button pushes. Here we go. You're just going to hit the menu set button with the camera on to open the menu on the screen. From there, you're just going to select the setup wrench icon submenu. And from the setup wrench icon submenu, you'll then select the reset option. All there is to it. Menu, setup wrench icon submenu, reset. And from there, you'll be able to just reset everything back to its factory default settings.